Have you ever wondered about what to teach your baby after learning their colors? Wait, does your baby know their colors? If not, that's okay because I am here to help. What if I tell you there is a way to teach your baby to recognize colors, be able to read the color name after learning to decipher between colors, be able to recognize beyond color objects? All this while only using one item, a book. This particular book called My First Colors. Let's learn them all. Produced by DK Publishing. And no, this video is not sponsored. Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Annaise Shades and I am a mama living, learning, and growing with my baby. To make known, I am not a teacher. However, I am a mommy to a little boy named Grayson. When he was 15 months, he had already achieved all of these milestones, visually recognizing, by seeing and saying colors along with their names and then with objects. This is important to note because 18 months is generally the accepted age for teaching colors. And I was able to achieve color recognition many months before with my little one, key for cognitive developmental growth in toddlers. If you are gaining interest in the video, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, and tell me in the comments down below if you have started teaching your baby colors and what your biggest challenge has been. Now, let's dive right into the video and I will share with you 5 tips plus a bonus tip on how I have achieved these things with my little one. Tip number 1, introduce the book with enthusiasm. When introducing anything like a book to your little one, your baby may not find any interest in the item, and that's okay. But having introduced the book with enthusiasm gives a sense for excitement in your baby, knowing that you, their parent, is excited. Tip number 2, don't read yet, but flip the pages. Flip through the book and voice each color as each color page appears. Blue, green, purple, pink, brown, and so forth. This is where and how color recognition starts for your little one. It is believed that babies around 5 months of age can see the full spectrum of colors, so start here. Yes, you can do this for babies that are 5 months of age and older. Now, be sure to pause at this tip and repeat over and over throughout the day, throughout the week, and throughout the months to come. Pausing here and repeating step number 2 opens your child's mind to learning while not having them overwork it and become overwhelmed. Tip number 3, let's learn to read color names. Say the word, spell out the word, read the word, acknowledge. So first, you want to point and say the word. Red, for instance. Red. Then you want to recognize each letter and spell out the word. R-E-D. After, you want to read the word. Red. Lastly, you want to acknowledge the color of all the objects on the page. Red. But I like to say, everything you see on these 2 pages are the color red. Repeat this on each page while not actually reading what is on the page. Now we are going to repeat these steps on a unique page. The black and white page has 2 colors in combination on one page. This is how I would teach my baby while using the steps in tip number 3. Say the word, spell out the word, read the word, acknowledge. So I would do this. Black. B-L-A-C-K. Black. 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 White. W-H-I-T-E. White. 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 Black. Black. Black, white, white, So it's the same on this page, however, you just have to adjust in making sure you correspond that color to the word name. That way your baby can learn and they're not confused what is white and what is black. Again, take your time, be patient with your baby, and don't rush in giving too much information. Repeat this tip throughout the day, throughout the week, and throughout the months to come. Tip number 4, point, pair color, and read object names. Continue with tip number 3 and point to an object and say the color, then the object name. Let me demonstrate. Blue, B-L-U-E, blue. Blue scissors, blue cupcake liner, blue starfish, blue tractor. Make sure to always say the color before the object name. And do this with every single item on the page. Doing this allows your baby to remember and build understanding to the color while learning objects and their names. Repeat this on each page. Pause here and repeat steps 3 and 4 together throughout the day, throughout the week, and throughout the months to come. Remember, your baby is like a sponge, and even when you don't think they are learning, they are. Be patient with your baby and watch how they surprise you. Tip number 5, keep it light and have fun. You want to make sure that you have fun in doing this activity with your little one, because if you're not having fun, they won't have fun. If you're not excited, they're not as excited. If you aren't showing any interest, why should they? Have fun. Use these tips to help with your baby's progression. You don't have to just follow the tips that I have shared today. You can be creative by only focusing on foods that day. Maybe your baby would recognize some of their favorite foods, or focus on moving items like transportation. Just have fun. Also, too, independent play. Give your baby a chance to flip through the book themselves and see if they point and remember items that are on the page. Your baby is one of a kind, and knowing that you have instilled in them something and they remember it and they are excited to show you, tell you all these things. I mean, it's awesome. It's a great feeling. Quick tip. When teaching colors silver and gold, I like to say silver looks gray and gold looks yellow. But when it's shiny, gray is silver and yellow is gold. I have found that saying this has given more clarity and understanding to my baby, allowing him to decipher between such colors. Want more? I have made a video of 4 engaging color activities that I'm sure you and your little one would enjoy. Please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share the video with all your friends that are parents. I look forward to you becoming a part of my family. Bye.